report shows a list of employees whose salaries are different in the selected salary periods, with details on how it is different. This report is usually used to find the differences in payroll for the current month, in comparison with the previous month. Step 1. Pick the salary periods. Step 2. Pick the non-payslip heads you want to appear in the report. Step 3. Pick employees. The report is ready. This report is usually used by auditors to identify the changes between two salary periods, and is really helpful when you are managing a lot of employees.